Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are making Mississippi pot roast in the crock pot. So what I'm going to do is do it vlog style. We're going to turn the camera around. I'll show you all the ingredients. We'll pop it on the crock pot and then we'll come back and check on it in probably 6 to 8 hours, and we'll also see just how the rest of the family likes it. I will say this is keto, low carb friendly. I've done this one other time, however I am making it a little bit different because I have different ingredients in my house this time. I will link my inspiration of where I found this recipe down below in the description box and give them credit. I will say I did not do it exactly like them. I actually probably made it not more difficult, but I definitely added more individual spices than what they had in there, so I did change it up a little bit. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you go ahead and do that? Hit the subscribe button. Also click that bell, because what it does is it tells you when new content comes out. And of course, don't you want to be one of the first people to know about it? So hit the bell, hit the like button to just say, hey, crockpot recipe, great idea. And we will continue on with our video. Okay, so what we have right here is what we're going to use for our pot roast. This one actually is fancier than what I was going to get. I was going to get a cheaper version of this, but ShopRite didn't have the cheaper version. So you want some kind of beef round, bottom round for your pot roast. We need butter. We are going to use a brown gravy mix. If you have a beef bouillon cube, you could also use that as well. I've done that before. We need a jar of pepperoncinis. And now for our spices, we're using parsley, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper. If you have dill, this would be a good place to use dill as well. I don't have that, so we're just gonna go with this. We're gonna dump it all in the crock pot and turn it on. Okay, so I put the cover on. We don't need to add any water because the juices from the meat and the pepperoncinis with the butter will mix together and will be plenty of liquid to be able to cook this. I'm gonna put it on low. I'm gonna check it in 6 hours, see how it is, and then I might have to go to 8. I will let you guys know, and this is seriously that simple. You just kind of dump it all in, perfect to go to work in the morning and get this done before you leave, things like that. Really, really, really simple. Hey guys, okay, so it's been about 4.5 hours and here's a quick update. I did add 1 stick of butter because I wasn't getting as much liquid as I wanted, and I also put it on high heat for about 1 hour out of the 4.5, and then I put it back to low. I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer. I think 6 hours will be fine. So I left it in for just about 6 hours. I did, like I say, put it on the high temperature for about an hour of that time, but it came out really, really well. If you want to keep this keto low carb, you can put this over some mashed cauliflower, sauteed vegetables. You can even do salad or make it into a low carb wrap for yourself. If you're not worried about keto low carb, then serve it with some mashed potatoes and just live your life eating all the yummy goodness. But seriously, this was so easy. I was able to serve this for my kids, for a friend who came over for dinner, and it was just really simple. Throw it in the crock pot and it was great. I hope you guys loved this easy recipe. Tell me if you try it. Would you put in the comments below maybe some of the tricks that you do for your Mississippi pot roast? I would love to read those. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.